Hello, Ralph and Carl. I wish to discuss with you about the decision to give sysadmin rights to users in the database. When someone is given a sysadmin right in the database, they have total control and access to every aspect of the database. And this is not the best industry practice for database security. It violates the principles of least privilege, which means that you only give access rights to people based on the job they need to do. If someone does not need more than any more rights than needed, then you do not give them such rights. It also violates security standards and regulations given by DPCI DSS, by GDPR, and also by EPA. Now, when with everyone having system admin rights, it makes it difficult for you to now track who's done what and when. Um, Carrying out audit trails and monitoring the database becomes an issue. Also, you are increasing the risk of malicious attacks, and even somebody can make an unintentional error and create damages in the database. So, because of these reasons, I would strongly recommend that we do not give sysadmin rights to every user, but follow the principle of least privilege. Thank you. Okay, off to my show two, which requires that I created a user account for RAV with sysadmin role. The script is showing right on the screen, and I will just run that. And that is completed successfully. Then I am to run a script that investigates the login. This script is showing on the screen right now, but because I'm required to do it in a job, I will show that when I run the job, when it runs in the job. Then I'm required to create a custom audit to be able to insert data showing the people, set up a custom audit that runs daily and inserts data from the query into a new table each time it is run. Again, the script is showing on the screen. It's going to be run in a job, so I would also do that later on. That's the script that creates the table, and here is the script that inserts the logins into the database. Now, the job script follows. Of course, it's a long script, and when I run the script, I will demonstrate the effectiveness of that script. Now, I'm required to log in as Ralph and carry out, create 4 logins. Before I do that, though, I want to demonstrate my job. This is my job. It's called list sysadmin logs in, and it has 2 steps as is required to create the table for the logins. And if I just show the edit of that, we can see it drops the tables, and then it creates the table following using the pattern of using the escape update. So that is the first step. The second step, which is for it to install, to now add those with system logins into the database. And again, that is the script. And we have to also schedule it to run um, daily. So get sysadmins logins daily, set for daily to run at 1900 hours each night. So those are the 3 options. Okay, and here is the syslog admin job. I'm going to start it. And starting it, it's running, success, and success. So if I close that and we go into our databases and we go into our system databases, we have system admins logged in as of that date. Let's just open it and see what we have there. Right now we have just these 7 people, including Rav, listed in as sysadmin. Okay, and now having completed that, I will now go in and log in as Ralph. So I'm logging at Ralph. I would now run those scripts to create the 4 users that we were asked to create. My users are James, Jenna, Brad, and Claudia. Okay, we see a successful command login. And I will go ahead and log out Ralph, leaving the essay back in. And again, I'm going to run the job list admin. Start the job. Successful. Go back to our database. Sorry. And let's just refresh that. And we open this to see what we have. We can see now that we have those 4 logins that was created: James, Jenna, Brad, and Claudia. And thank you for watching the scenario.